Morning, Gordon. That snowplow makes you look like a pest controller.
Oh, puh. You come to remarks again about my snowplow. Yes, I'm wearing it. At least I'm being responsible.
Are you being responsible, or are you just scared of getting stuck in the snow?
Tch, no, I'm not.
Yeah, Gordon, I know for a fact that big engines always pretend they're tough, but they usually hide behind a huge fear of silly things, like ditch water.
Puh! What cheek! Speaking to a big engine like that, and especially me, an imported express engine. What's your ass, young one?
Heh, red-handed.